Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Techno Junkie. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset or change your forgotten Ubuntu password in just a few simple steps. Whether you've lost access to your system or just want to update your password, this guide will help you regain control of your Ubuntu account. So let's get started. If you look at the monitor, you can see that I typed different passwords every time. It shows the password not matching error. We have to restart the system first, but before that, we need to remember the username of your Linux. In my case, it is my Linux. The first step is to restart your system. As your system boots up, you'll see the GRUB menu. From here, select Advanced Ubuntu Options. Next, choose the second option, which says Recovery Mode. Once inside recovery mode, you'll notice at the top that the file system is in read-only mode. We need to change this to read and write mode to modify the password. To do this, scroll down and select Root. Now you'll see a terminal-like screen. The first thing you need to do is press Enter to activate the command line. Type the following command and press Enter. Mount-O remount rw/. This command allows us to make changes to the system files. Now type the following command, replacing my Linux with your actual Ubuntu username, /passwd my Linux. Then press Enter. You'll now be prompted to enter a new password. Type your new password, press Enter, and then retype the password to confirm. After successfully setting the new password, type Exit. Press Enter. Now choose Resume Normal Boot. And your system will return to the normal login screen. Now enter your newly created password and you'll regain access to your Ubuntu account. For security purposes, it's recommended to restart your system one more time after logging in. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Ubuntu password and regained access to your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.